Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Login Aid, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create Linktree account. So now without any further delay, let's start with the process. So first of all, make sure that you have downloaded Linktree application on your mobile device. Now simply launch the app. Now once you are here, you'll see two of these options, but for now as we are about to create our account, simply tap on the option of sign up given at the bottom of your screen. With that, you will be directed to a link like this. You may have to wait for a while. Now, after this page has loaded, you have to start by entering your email address, or if you wish to, you can even sign up with Google or sign up with your Apple ID. But for now, I'm just going to use my email ID to sign up. So let me enter my email ID here. Here we go. Now, once your email ID is entered, your username for your account will automatically be created. You can also customize your name if you wish to, but here I'm just going to use this auto-generated name. Some usernames might not be available for you to use, so in that case, you may want to change your username. Now, simply tap on the option of Create Account in order to move forward. Now, you have to create a strong password for your account. Make sure that the password is of at least 8 characters. Once you have typed in your password, simply tap on the option of Continue again. Now, let's wait for some time. With that, you'll come to this page where you can select a category that best describes your Linktree account. So for now, I'm just going to select one of these options. And below, you'll get other various options to select from. You can select one of these options given below as well. Now, I'm going to select this option, and after selecting it, simply tap on the option of Continue. Now, you can choose your appearance for your Linktree account. This process is optional. You can skip as well. So, I'm just going to select a theme for my account. After selecting it, simply tap on the option of Continue at the bottom. Now over here, you can also add some links related to your social media accounts like TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or others. This process is optional, so you can tap on Skip at the top right corner. Now once you come to this page, now over here you can see various plans given. You can see that the starter plan is of $4 and the premium plan is for $19. You can also tap on the option of See Benefits and see what each of these plans provide to you. You can either select a plan for your account, or you can simply tap on the option of Free and then simply tap on Continue at the bottom. Now you can see that you have successfully signed up for Linktree account. Now tap on Continue. Now, tap on Continue again to get updates. Now, tap on Allow for apps to send you notifications. Now, simply tap on Continue if you wish for the app to allow or track your activities. I'm going to tap on Allow. Now, you can see that you have been directed to your Linktree account. You can also add various social media links to your Linktree account. Now, by following these easy steps, you can see that I have successfully been able to create my Linktree account. So, that's how easy these steps are. So, this is it for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more upcoming tutorial videos.